Right guys, here's the Kylo Ren saber with the unstable blades and the main Neopixel blade. It still has some plastic wrapping on it, which shows that it's brand new. Very beautiful heat stain on the side blades. The entire hilt. Right, basically there are 23 different sound fonts, and therefore every sound font has a slightly different blade effect.
I'm right.
So raise sound font now. And turn the resolution down. So this one's sort of like a slow fire blade effect. Ascension. And turn the resolution down. So here's the lockup. Keeping the resolution down. Going to the next sound font. So I'll mute. Blaster blocks. It's hard to do the video with one hand, but I'm doing my best. You can totally change the color. I'm not going to do so here. Just turn the resolution down. So here's sort of like a faster flickering effect.
Can't do good. Swords, please. We don't want to make a mess of things in front of the Chancellor.
You won't get away this time, Dooku.
Music. Ooh. I believe that was the ignition sound. Let's turn up the resolution slightly. Deep drag.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Kylo Ren font. There's simply too many fonts to showcase all of them, so I'm gonna stop after this one.